A child abduction alert has been issued in Milwaukee County for the following child: Kennedy A. M. Parker, age 1, female, black, 2 feet 0 inches, 35 pounds, with black hair, brown eyes, and a scar above the right eyebrow. Child was last seen in the 2400 block of North 50th Street and is missing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, last seen only in a diaper. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Kewan I. Parker, age 29, male, black, 5 feet 10 inches, 165 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a yellow t-shirt with blue graphic design on the front, light blue jeans, and yellow and white Jordan shoes. Suspect's hair is braided to the back with a zigzag design. Unknown mode of travel.